Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how we could take an existing selection and make it into a layer mask. So what do I mean by this? I have two images right here, and the image below, which is this living room, and the image on top is basically me. I took this picture in front of like a lake or a pond, but as you can see in this image, you only see me and not the original background, which is right here, and you'll see it in a section in a little bit. So basically, I'm using a layer mask to extract basically me from the original image and then place it on top of this living room image. Now there are multiple ways that you could do this in Photoshop. I'm just showing you one way that you could use a layer mask to perform the same function. So in this next tab right here, I have both my images. So if I turn off the bottom layer, you could see the original layer here. It's a picture of me, and in the background is a pond. So what I want to do is basically take the image of myself and place it on top of this living room image without this background, the original background here, which is the pond. So basically how you could do this is with the layer mask is make sure the top layer is selected. I'm using a quick selection tool over here, and then up here on the tools bar I'm selecting select subject. So what this is doing, Photoshop is determining what the subject is within this layer here. And as you can see, there's a dotted lines, which is what we call marching ants, around me in this image. So it made a very good selection. So now let's extract this selection by using a layer mask. With this selection currently selected, all I have to do is come down here in the layers panel and select add a layer mask. And as you can see, it did what it was supposed to do. It extracted the background of the top image. So basically, let's look at this. Over here on this layer, I have the thumbnail of the image, and then plus I have a layer mask. Now, with layer mask, anything that is black in the layer mask thumbnail is going to be hidden. So basically what this means is when you have a layer mask on this layer here, it's going to hide this section of this image here. And the white portion of this layer mask is going to reveal this area, which is a picture of me on this layer. So stated in a different way, the black area will reveal the layer below it, which is this living room, and the white portion of it will hide this area of this living room. So basically, the image of me is now overlaying the top of this living room here. So hopefully this gave you an idea on how you could create selections and using layer mask to hide or reveal a portion of layers that are below the original layer where the selection lies. So again, thank you for stopping by today. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so whenever I have a new video ready, you'll be first to be notified of it. And also, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate it very much. Thanks again, and you have a great day. Bye now.